is October and I have a pretty packed rest of the year. Tomorrow I'm going to Joshua Tree for the weekend, and then right from there I'm coming back Saturday night, and Sunday morning I'm flying out to Maui. I'm gonna be in Maui for a couple weeks, and then I come back for a couple weeks, then I go back home to Iowa for 2 weeks. Then I'm coming back to LA for 2 weeks, and then I'm going back to Iowa again for Christmas for 3 weeks, and I'll be back in LA in January. I'm kind of stressed because I have to plan for all this back and forth, and also going to Maui is kind of a headache because to bypass the 14-day quarantine, you have to come with a specific type of COVID test, and there's only like a few places that they are accepting, so they're also really expensive. It's going to be like a couple $100 just to get this rapid COVID test. They just changed it a few days ago, so the original free test that I was going to do is no longer eligible. But hopefully I get the test back and everything's fine, and I know that once I'm there I'll have a good time. So right now I am packing for my Joshua Tree and Maui trips at the same time because I'm not going to have time to pack tomorrow, and I'm not going to have time to pack when I come back on Saturday because I'm going to want to sleep. I definitely want to take all my vlogging equipment and stuff so I can make a good travel vlog. I think I would need to pack some cute outfits for Joshua Tree so we can have a little photo shoot, and our Airbnb is super cute. Our Airbnb in Maui is also going to be really nice. So I'm excited to get away though. This is the longest time that I have been not on a plane since probably high school, so it's kind of weird for me to not be traveling that much. But it's also a little sketchy because there's still a pandemic going on, but I have been tested a few times and I'm negative all the time, so hopefully everyone else is being safe as well.
Hello and welcome to our Joshua Tree Airbnb.
Hey, welcome again to our Joshua Tree Airbnb. This is the tour. The kitchen, it's pretty cute. Has this cute little stove. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and then after the kitchen, we have our living room slash workstation. All the decor is really boho chic. Love it, love it. We love the boho chic. The chairs, I'm a big fan of. And then this is the living room.
Super cute.
So cute. This cactus.
It's a really cute cactus. I want to see
Yeah,
it.
we like the brown theme, the brown leather decor. I'm in love with this couch.
It's like mid-century boho.
Mid-century boho for sure. Okay, and then we have the cute little bathroom, nice and bright. More cute boho decor. So look at this shot. And then the bedrooms. We have the beds and the blinds and the mirrors, so. And then the other bedroom with Alice. Okay, this is outside. Looking dusty out here. Dusty and dry. This cornhole. We're really out here in the Wild West. Oh, and this is the backyard. I haven't seen it yet. There's a little fire pit here where we can make s'mores later. Yay, cute. That's it. Hope you enjoyed our Joshua Tree Airbnb tour. Mur and Jana made me this lunch harvest bowl. That's so yummy. We are at Joshua Tree National Park. dining at Poppy and Harriet's right now.
Yeah, I'm excited.
It's some Wild Wild West vibes.
Cheers.
Yum yum. Oh, you should see my
Got the barbecue going back there. Bye to Canada, you go.
We just say
Goodbye.
Canada.
Woo, Canada.